Good morning, doctors. As you all know, my channel is for Neet PG preparation for you all. But you have a lot of questions regarding Neet PG examination. So, firstly, I am going to give you a very excellent and good information to you that I am going to put 4 hours video in includes every subject, all 23 subjects, MCQs and theory together. I am going to explain, and I am definitely sure from that 4-hour video you are going to receive at least 200 MCQs because it includes theory, it includes explanation, it includes MCQs. From today onwards I am start working on it, because if I take individual subjects and I am going to put it take time, and that is not sufficient for you to learn. That's why I decide to put all 23 subject MCQs together in a 4-hour video, and I am going to put 15 or 1 month before exam. I try my best. Maybe I am going to put this video in this month, but it take time because I am working on it, and this is very much helpful for those who are going to watch this video. If someone watch this video, I am 100% sure he receive excellent score in exam. And in because I saw a lot of video on internet also, I knew lot of institutes also, coaching institutes, even they are not capable to provide such whole subject video, because a single specialty professor is expert in, someone expert in psychiatry, someone expert in medicine, someone expert in obs gynae, but not in all subject. But I am expert in all subject, and I really want to do something good for those students or those doctors who are following me and my channel, and they have questions, sir, how much score I am going to get with my video. So I am challenging you all that you are going to score excellent score with 4-hour study, 4-hour study. But it take time. I am going to put everything in a 4 hour, but you take at least 1 month or 2 months to memorize everything. You can pause that video and memorize by heart, and you definitely score excellent marks. And I am 100% sure you score a good marks, because you all are confused. You think lastly what you need to do, MCQs you have to solve or you have to read theory. So guys, the main definitive answer here is you have to go through theory, but in a short manner, short and sweet manner, and MCQs. For example, I am giving you, let's see, I'm standing in this way and you can see me, like gross motor development. I'm going to explain only one thing. I'm going to make one chart, go developmental milestone. They are asked gross motor 3 months start from neck holding movement. Now 6 months we are coming on here, this hip region, and 6 months may be able to crawl, spawn to supine, supine to prone position. And then 9 months come on knees. 9 months on knees we go below. Knee means he's crawling like a bear walking, a child. And 12 months we come here, lower side means standing, and he is able to walk alone. 12 months. 2 years, how to remember? 2 years child able to run 2 step forward, 2 step backward. 2 year. 3 year, what happened? A child is able to run a tricycle, 3 year. And 4 year baby able to hops and jump 4 year. And 5 year baby skip in a air, it's possible. So I am going to put not only gross motor but fine motor development also, and so many things like toxicities. I am going to put theory and MCQs also together, but you have to remember each and everything. And 4 hours is a very much important. This is the example of pediatric, but I am going to put on anatomy, physiochemistry, physio, biochem, microbio, everything, and drug of choices. Everything include in that paper. That is very high yield. I am 100% sure you are going to crack exam in an easy way. And after that, when you are going to complete this 4-hour video, you have no doubt and no questions, because you are very much satisfied. If someone watch in future also such video, he also crack exam, because that is a very high yield topic. No one will give you, in Hindi we can say this is the Brahma Shastra of everything, मतलब जिसका कोई तोड़ नहीं हो. So you have to follow this. No one will stop you. You definitely crack the exam, and after that 4-hour video you got a excellent confidence. So guys, wait for my that 4-hour video. I'm going to put it take 30 days for me to prepare, because I am working on it. I start work on it and I am going to put 4-hour video. Wait for it. Thank you for all subjects, and you will crack exam easily. And after that, no questions, sit in an exam and you feel very comfortable in your examination. And if you memorize that video, you score excellent marks. Thank you. Goodbye. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, because when I am going to launch, if you subscribe my channel and click the bell button there near my channel, then you definitely at the same time you get a notification and you start that lecture. 4 hours. Thank you. Goodbye. That's all for you.